Hey guys, so today we'll be looking at this. This is the GoPro Hero 8 and this is the special bundle edition. So what we're going to be doing today is looking around the box and then unpacking this and just having a quick look around the actual GoPro itself. So let's just quickly look at the box first. So what you can see straight away is the GoPro Hero 8 in the clear case, and as you can see the label saying special bundle. We'll see what that gives. And then straight below that it says Hyper Smooth 2.0, and then you got the GoPro Hero 8 Black with an image of it, and then straight at the bottom it just gives you some of the specs. So now let's just look at the sides. So this is the standard kit. So this is what you get with your GoPro. You get the actual GoPro itself. It has a built-in mount. You get a helmet mount. You get a battery pack. You get extension mount. You get the screw. And you get the cable, and that's it. Looking at the back, it just talks about the app, the app that you can get for your phone, so that you can connect to your GoPro and actually see what the GoPro's seeing. And it also allows you to do some of the setup on there as well. Then looking at the final side, right at the top, this is the extension pack. So you get the head strap, you get the battery pack, you get a memory card, and you get a tripod. Looking a bit below is just again the specs. So it says 12 megapixels, 4K 60 frames a second at 1080p 240 frames a second. You get 8 times slow-mo. You get Hyper Smooth 2.0, and I've heard very good reviews about the Hyper Smooth. You get Time Wrap 2.0, you get 1080p live streaming, you get live burst, you get Super Photo plus HDR, you get raw imaging, and then it just talks about the directional mics, the touch screen, and the fact that the GoPro has a built-in mount on it. And then right at the bottom it just talks again about the 10-meter water resistance, and it's got GPS on it. So that's about it, guys. We're going to open it up and see how it looks on the inside. So to open it up, guys, there's a little pull tab at the bottom of the packaging, so we just need to pull it. So once you remove it out of the packaging, you get the GoPro itself right at the top in a nice matte black, and then you get this white box. So inside the box itself is what's housing all the accessories. So let's just turn the box around, and then at the back it shows you how to dismount the GoPro from the case, and then there's a little tab at the bottom to open up, to open all the accessories out. So you just pull up on this tab and you open it up like so. So the first thing you're introduced to is the GoPro Plus. So this is the cloud storage. Then you get the instruction manuals for the GoPro itself, just how to set it up and connect it. You get this little have questions. You get some GoPro stickers copying the Apple. You get the warranty book, and then you get this pull tab here, so you just have to pull this down like so. And once you pull it down, you're introduced to all the accessories. It's a bit of a shame, it seems like they've just thrown everything into the box. It's not really housed in there very securely. But yeah, so the first thing you see is the memory card, so that you get with the bundle pack a 32 gig memory. You get the first battery pack. Then because I've got the bundle pack, you get another one, which is really good. You get the charging cable and connection cable. and it is Type-C, guys, which is awesome. Then you get the head strap, and a few more things left. You get the 3M mount to mount it onto anything. And you get this. So this is the tripod. So yeah, and that's about it for the accessories, and the rest is at the top. So you get one of the bike mounts and the GoPro right at the top. So to remove this off the case itself, you would need to pull up on this rubber tab where it says GoPro, and then as you can see, there's two little tabs on either side, and you just have to push them in like so, and then slide it out. Like so. So guys, now looking at everything put down, we're going to just quickly look at all the accessories and then go straight onto the GoPro. So the first thing is the mount that you get. So if you bought this mount on its own, it's around 29 quid. Probably get a cheap unknown brand one for around 5-10 quid. But the cool thing about this, it has a metal mounting point, which means it's going to be secure. The plastic is ABS and it does feel quite cheap. But the other cool part about this GoPro mount is this here, this hinge was hidden inside. You just push up, and as you can see, you can extend the GoPro tripod. Not by much, but hey, it works and it's pretty cool. To push it back down, again, you just put some force and click down. And that's about it for the mount. The battery packs as well. So the original GoPro batteries, there are a lot of clones out there, but obviously the ones that you get with your GoPro shouldn't have any issues with. You get this little pull out tab, and this allows you to pull the battery out the GoPro. You have your 4-pin connector at the bottom. So yeah, and that will be the same for the other battery pack too. So that's the GoPro batteries. The cable feels quite durable, thick ABS plastic, with a rubber coating, GoPro cable, so it is a Type-C. But if you do have any other Type-C cables, like your original phone cable, that would do. Do not use any of the fake ones. Just transfer speeds you'll have some issues with. Bit disappointed about the memory card. It is a 32GB memory card. It is SanDisk, which is good, and it is a V30, so transfer speed should be good. But yeah, I would have expected a higher memory card, especially nowadays. You get a 32GB for like 4 or 5 quid. So then you got the head strap here. I'm not going to open it up. It's literally just a head strap. It goes around the head. The material itself does feel real comfortable. It's got a plush feel to it. And then you have the mounting bracket at the front to put your GoPro on. Other than that, guys, let's go straight onto the GoPro. So now looking at the GoPro itself, as you can see, here's the GoPro. It's got a fairly big lens. It's got the front display. It's got the GoPro logo at the front. It's got mics, and it's got a nice rubberish texture to it, which is matte. Talking about the front, the first issue, I guess, with the GoPro Hero 8 is the lens. It's a non-removable lens. It's almost like the GoPro Hero 7 white edition. Don't know why they've done this. It just causes issues. If you do drop your GoPro or break the lens, you would have to send the whole thing off for repair, rather than just picking up a lens for like 10 quid from eBay, Amazon. And the other issue is that if you run out of warranty, you have to basically buy a whole new GoPro. The other part of the front is the display here, so you get this little digital display, and this shows the time, the recording format, battery life, so it's pretty cool. Then at the bottom you get your built-in mounting bracket. So these mounts, if I remove this,
be careful, don't drop it. So once you remove the screw,
pull the bottom off. As you can see, there's the mounts. These mounts are pretty cool. They've built into the GoPro and they fold away nice and neatly. I think that's a really good idea, and they're quite cheap to replace if they do break. The only issues I've seen with this mount is that they can cause some wobble. They're not as sturdy, I guess, as a fixed point, but that seems okay. Then looking at the sides, so you've got, on one side you have another mic, and you have the power and mode button. Then on the other side you have what looks like nothing, but there's the battery pack point here, and where you put your memory card and charge it. So all you do is pull down on the tab like so, you hear a click, and then all you do is pull up. And as you can see, this is another issue with the GoPro Hero 8. The lid just comes off. It's not the most sturdiest lid, but yeah, you have your battery pack housing here and your charging point and your memory card slot, which goes right there. So other than that, you got the final point, which is the top, and this is just where you can instantly press the record and stop and start. Looking at the back, you get a decent display, and this will show what it's recording, and as you can see, it's a little image here showing your memory card space, your recording time, and your battery percentage. So that's about it, guys. This was a quick unboxing. What I'll do is try it out for probably a week, and then put some video clips up of using it and trying that out, the Hypersmooth 2, and then giving you an honest feedback review. So if you like this video, guys, please like and sub, and peace out.